The future can be way, way better than the present, and it's our job to take us there, to bring it forward, to bring it here.
We tend to tackle the most difficult problems.
10X encompasses everything we're about. We don't work on incremental things. We work on things together that create orders of magnitude improvement over what anyone can imagine being done today.
We enable finding new things, understanding a disease better, being able to find treatments much faster.
We were at a sort of standstill with our research where we wanted to answer particular questions, but we just did not have the tools on hand. 10X Genomics has allowed us to answer unparalleled questions with respect to the role of the immune system in neurodegenerative disease.
Being able to really see what's going on in that patient's tissue, and then being able to see how a patient is responding to the treatment will really help us move precision oncology so that it's truly patient-specific.
The innovations change what's possible. So the human cell atlas wouldn't have been feasible to even think about 20 years ago.
Having the ability to look at thousands of single cells and hundreds or thousands of genes is really revolutionizing immunology, and it's allowing us to ask questions and discover therapies faster than we would have ever thought.
Every one of the products that we put out there enables the users uniquely to identify new features in their research, find new pathways, make new discoveries that were not possible with the other technologies that were available.
We can look at individual cells and their DNA at the same time as you can measure the genes that they are transcribing at the same time that you measure the protein that's actually on the cell surface. There's hundreds of thousands of cells.
It will allow us to identify all the parts and start addressing pathologies, how basic cellular functions go awry in infections.
And now we have the ability to integrate both fields, right? Tumor science, tumor biology, with tumor microenvironment science. And I think it's beginning to usher us into a new era of molecular profiling.
The data that we now have, it's like science fiction. This was just not possible to think 10 years ago.
Their technology lets you see everything that's in your sample, individual genes, gene pathways, cell types and frequencies. You see it all at once. We help every customer work so much faster.
Faster answers means a vaster impact on health and saving lives.
Now we can delete genes or turn genes on or off or rewrite DNA sequences in individual cells and then read out the consequence with incredible resolution, which will give us new opportunities to come up with drug targets.
We are on this exponential curve of understanding biology. That in turn will drive massive improvements in healthcare and just transformation of how we view health and disease.
Lives will be saved because of the work that we are doing, and that is very inspiring.